The rise of Evergrande and Zhu Jian is an interesting story to say the least. Jian founded Evergrande in 1996, and he ascended to becoming one of the most powerful businessmen within China. Jian was one of the wealthiest individuals in China, and he represented the classic case of going from rags to riches. Jian grew up extremely poor, and he always wanted to achieve a better life for himself and family. His company, Evergrande, is one of the largest property developers in the world, and he has been able to amass a ton of wealth over the years. However, the company has been facing major issues as of late that have negatively impacted the financial markets. Evergrande has used a ton of debt to finance major real estate projects across the region. The company has hundreds of billions of dollars in debt on its balance sheet, and as of late, the company has missed many of its debt payments that are owed to foreign investors. To make matters worse, the company has essentially promised to build homes and properties for Chinese citizens within the area, but the company is no longer able to deliver on these promises. Many of the real estate development projects have been placed on hold because of the financial situation that Evergrande is facing. The Chinese government is no longer allowing Evergrande to access more debt to fund projects or meet the debt payments that the company is obligated to pay. This situation has the potential to negatively impact not just the Chinese economy, but the world economy. At this point in time, Evergrande and the Chinese government are faced with a very sensitive situation that could result in a shockwave across the entire financial market. If the government bails out Evergrande, the major protests from Chinese citizens who are out of their deposits and down payments will grow exponentially. However, if the government allows Evergrande to crumble, many wealthy national and foreign investors will be out of billions of dollars. To put this entire situation into context, the Evergrande level of debt is about 3 times the magnitude of the Lehman Brothers debacle that caused the US economy to collapse in 2008. Keeping this in mind, the Chinese government is well aware that allowing Evergrande to grow at such a rapid rate has resulted in chaos. Time will tell how the Chinese government will react to this problem, but it is important to be aware that the continuous default of debt payments could lead to a major economic crisis that will impact the entire world. So I hope you found this episode of the SimpMe Current Event Series interesting, and be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel to stay updated on all of our new content. Thanks.